Luxurious brand new villa in the seaside area of Glyfada, very close to the center of Athens. Includes a private pool, sauna and billiards room. This 3-level luxurious villa offers all modern comforts and entertainment options that will make your stay in Athens memorable. Composed of a lounge with a grand piano, a dining area, a spacious kitchen and a WC. The lounge leads straight out to the private swimming pool area, where you will find sunbeds, umbrellas, a big table and plenty of garden space. The accommodation offers much more than a simple stay, with all comforts and amenities that one may expect. Thank you for watching our villa. For more information please visit our website, uniquevillas.gr. Feeling connected.